Guys, welcome to Uptrend Trading Group. So what this group's going to be about is just providing everybody with value, right? There's a lot of different ways to learn how to trade. There's a lot of different communities out there, paid communities, different ways. I hear a lot of people talking about how they want to impact hundreds of lives. They want to change hundreds of lives. Well, the true way you change hundreds of lives is by giving out free value and actually making an impact. So the goal for all this is going to be is to give y'all value. We will have many different types of educators popping in on sessions to show their trading style. We'll definitely have structured scheduling and things like that. I do want to go ahead and bring my business partner on so she can kind of give you a little bit of more overview about what we're going to do with Uptrend Movement. So everybody, eyes and ears, listen to the girl KJ.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Can y'all hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, awesome, cool. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is KJ Jackson. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for what we're doing here, what we're creating here, guys. Just know that you're a part of an incredible group, and it's incredible because of the people that you are. Collectively, we have over 30 years of trading experience in this group, guys. So what we're doing is really powerful. We're going to make a great impact. We're going to have a great year. We're going to make a lot of money. We're going to catch a lot of pips. This is a journey. This is a process. And we're all here to support and uplift each other. I'm super excited to meet all of you, learn more about you and why it is that you want to learn Forex in the first place, guys. I'm really looking forward to this community growing, but also staying close-knit and tight, guys. You guys are going to be our new family. We're going to take care of you. We're going to make sure that we're doing everything that we need to do to help you guys get to the level that you want to be at. I'm going to pass it back to Mitch.
Awesome. Thanks so much, KJ. Yeah, guys. So right now, I'm just going to start very, very, very simple because we have all different walks of life in here currently. And tonight, I just wanted to get straight to like very simple things, but this is the fundamental of what your life as a trader is. So there's no secret formula to learn how to trade, right? The biggest thing to understand is trading is a marathon, not a sprint. So don't come in here like thinking you're going to deposit like your family's like money and be able to like flip it and make your family rich right off the jump. That's not what it's about. We're about, creating an ability to be able to learn a skill set so that way we can live off that skill set. We can create generational income, right? You can pass down this skill set to family members, friends, be able to truly help others. So a little bit about myself, I've been trading about a year now. I've seen the highs and lows. I've been a part of a network marketing company that, showed a little bit of, introduced me to Forex. And then I took a few paid courses myself and just, I'm just hungry for knowledge, right? I'm always, never can have too much knowledge. Always, that's a huge thing like that you have to understand, guys, is staying consistent with understanding that you never can have too much training when it comes to this, guys. You can never have too much mentorship when it comes to this. You definitely soak up everything you can, ask questions, connect in this group, guys. This group is meant to be a family, like KJ said. So I want everyone to feel, at ease. There's no dumb questions. We're gonna have many different structured nights for all different education levels. We will be dropping a schedule tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. That schedule will show you what's going on for this next week. But I'm gonna go ahead and share my other screen here. Brooks, definitely connect with him in the group. He's an upcoming trader, definitely really learning a lot. He's advanced a lot in a short amount of time. So he'll be on here throwing a couple of sessions himself in the future, I'm sure. All right, guys. So this is what you'll see. TradingView.com. I want to go ahead and go back to the front page of TradingView just so we can all be on the same page. I know for some of y'all are already traders. This is something that's not new to you, but for me, I know coming into this was a big step for me. I was like, man, like, what is this website? What are all these things? So we're going to go ahead and click launch chart. Bada bang, bada boom. All right. So here you go. You see Apple, right? You don't care about stocks right now. We're Forex traders primarily. There are people that trade stocks. Maybe in the future we'll have some stock traders involved, but this is primarily a Forex trading community. So it'll be Forex and cryptocurrency. So right off the bat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and hide this buy sell panel. We don't need that. Down here at the bottom, this volume stuff, you don't need any of that. So just right click and hit remove. Our goal is to get our charts clean because we're going to be looking at these a lot. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to open up a Forex pair. We're going to do the Euro versus the USD, like I said before, forex.com, boom. So for me, I like to just work with clean charts. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my settings. So right click, go to settings. So we're going to change our candles. I'm going to go ahead and do blue and white. You're more than welcome to do what works best for you. I like having my borders black. It makes sense for me. And have the wicks black as well. It makes it easier to see in my opinion. Different people like different things. Definitely find what works for you. So this is what I have currently. Candles blue, white, borders all black, wicks black. For the background, I don't have the vertical lines on my chart, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn those off personally. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those off because you want clean charts. You want to work with a clean chart when it comes off the bat. So right off the bat, guys, we're already like getting a way cleaner workflow, right? So this is a lot easier to like look at for long periods of time than what we saw before with all the things were happening on there. You can even change your background to like a darker color to kind of like bring in the candles a little more. Everybody has different color candles. Whatever works best for you, as long as you can tell the difference between these candles that are the uptrend candles, which are the blue candles, we call those bullish candles. And then these white candles are called bearish candles, right? That means the market is moving down, right? So these are very, very simple things, but it's very important to be able to understand how to even get into TradingView. You can also make a free TradingView account where you'll be able to keep track of your charts. You'll be able to save your analysis in the future. You can even purchase TradingView to get, you know, these ads taken off. But I know six-figure traders that still don't pay for TradingView, so it's pretty funny. It's just one of those things. Like if you can use it for free, why pay for it, right? So here we have a chart, guys. Typically, you know, I'm not going to go too far depth of technical analysis just because a lot of people are super new here, but we are going to kind of just open up the time frames, right? And we're going to go through those. So monthly, guys, like it said, each one of these candles represents a month. So when you're on this, you're not going to be trading off the monthly, right? You may see levels or whatever on the monthly, but you're not like placing a trade just because you see something on the monthly. We're definitely more technical than that. Guys, you can also go down time frames, so you can go into each time frame. What's cool about this TradingView platform is I can go to the monthly, right? And I can come here and I have little tools, like I have rectangles, I have other things like that. So sometimes I like to go, I'll highlight like a monthly candle, and it's just a box. You can change it to whatever color you want. Me personally, I like to do green or something and maybe change the transparency down. And then what's cool about charts is it's just data. So you highlighting that monthly candle, you can go down to the weekly and you can see what happened in that monthly candle on the weekly chart. So this is what will feed into technical analysis once we do get to those points. Like I said, today was just more or less very much so getting everybody kind of understanding, all right, these are your first steps. Clean up your charts. So I want everyone to go to their TradingView after this call. And if you're new, clean up your chart, get a clean workflow. So that way, when we do the more intermediate classes and you want to follow along, and then when you have the recordings, you're able to like follow along with our clean charts, because most of us are working with very clean charts. We have very few indicators on our charts. There will be some traders that trade different styles. They may trade with indicators, but me primarily, I don't use a lot of indicators, but I always am open to other ways of trading, right? It's always good to have an open mind. especially because this market isn't a living organism that's constantly changing. So if it's constantly changing, you know, you may have to adapt your strategy to that change, right? Just because our strategy works now doesn't mean it could work forever, you know. Eventually, you know, these big money people in the market could, you know, make it to where that strategy isn't profitable for us because they're really playing against us on what we believe with our speculation in the market. So everybody get that information. If you're new, go ahead and say, yes, I did. I understand. TradingView.com is the platform. Let me know y'all are hearing this for me. Just drop a 1 in the chat. Cool. Awesome. Glad, guys. I'm glad. So, guys, the next step, now, this one is actually going to require you to pull out your phone.